You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. If you want to learn how to pronounce more related words in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. This is pronounced as diagnoses. Alright, let's not make sure we don't confuse this with the diagnosis. Diagnosis is spelled with an I at the end, S-I-S at the end. Diagnosis. The diagnosis is the action, the report of establishing what is your problem, what is your medical condition. Now, this is the third person of the verb to diagnose, as in I diagnose a disease, or the doctor diagnoses, he diagnoses your condition. All right, so this is the third person, and that's different. So this is diagnosis, he diagnoses, while with an I it's pronounced diagnosis. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.